What's up, people? Taylor Mars here. You probably don't know me, you might. I don't know. But this is, in fact, my third video. Now, enough video games for now. I'm just going to show you some. Okay, so I did a little chores at my house. Stuff like that. And so now, I got to get the chicken egg. But there's only one problem trying to get the chicken egg. Chicken sitting on it. So I have no idea what I'm gonna do. Okay, can I have your egg? Give me your egg. Just gonna reach under. I don't think this is safe. So whatever you do not try this at home. Oop, found it. You have that egg. Fill egg? Can't grab it. Don't have a good grip. Okay. Apparently not. The State of Decay gameplay is gonna have to wait. But I almost have it set up. Kiss. You messing with me? Mess with you. Well, apparently she doesn't want it. And that right there was me, basically, some of my life.